chats about satellite telemetry. Welcome to our channel.
Animal tracking technology, which is known as satellite telemetry, has been in use since the 1980s for the purpose of monitoring migration patterns and receiving up-to-date information about the location and movement of animal populations. But how does it work?
Telemetry allows an object or animal to be tracked on Earth with the help of several other satellites orbiting the Earth in space. Special tags, which are the satellite transmitters, are attached to animal populations which store data about the environment as well as their responses to other animal populations and environmental changes.
The platform transmitter terminal, which sends radio signals to nearby satellites, provides location data about the tracked animal, including latitude and longitude.
These bloody Argos transmitters, which use renewable energy, transmit short messages to Argos satellites near the poles at altitudes of approximately 850 kilometers. The Argos satellites orbit the Earth in a somewhat spherical pattern. These satellites are categorized as low Earth orbit, meaning they orbit no more than 1,000 kilometers from the Earth's surface. The physics behind their orbit and the orbit of any object around a large gravitational body can be explained using centripetal force equations.
It's mathematics, love.
Did you know low Earth orbiting satellites are often sun-synchronous, meaning they consistently pass through the same time zones on either side of the Earth?
Passive acoustic systems exist as well, which are used for acquiring data from oceans and other bodies of water. They allow researchers to monitor marine life and large objects in the area, such as boats and other rubbish.
This technology uses beacons with internal systems constructed to record underwater whistles and calls. This data is then transmitted to ground stations, filtered, and then used to analyze the position of the marine animals.
The reason why the system is passive is due to the fact that this technology produces no noise and does not affect marine animals in any way, which leads to the next topic: how satellite telemetry affects the environment.
Blimey, Lisa, how does satellite telemetry affect the environment?
Well, Charlie, the principles of this technology aim towards preserving biodiversity and understanding changes in the ecosystem which impact the vulnerable animal populations. Marine life is often threatened due to human activities of pollution, tourism, overfishing, boat traffic, as well as coastal urbanization. This technology helps researchers devise strategies to reduce our impacts on animal habitats and migration patterns.
However, these technologies are not very eco-friendly. These satellites emit a good deal of carbon dioxide, which contributes to the greenhouse effect and furthers the effects of climate change on our planet. So what you're saying is that satellite telemetry is good for the Earth, but also bad for the Earth? Wait, what's all this then?
It's not all wrong. The impact of climate change on animals is causing them to change their migration patterns due to lack of resources and changing coastlines. Argo satellites are helping us collect that data to see how their patterns change and study those changes.
Well, that's sorted then. Now, Lisa, you may be wondering how us blokes benefit from this technology. What's a who's it? Backing up a step, let's establish that biodiversity is good for all living things. The information that these satellites provide is essential to the study of migration patterns and the changes in population size and behavior of many different species on this bloody Earth. What that data does is it allows us to see the impact of humans on these animals and understand how to minimize our harm done to the environment, which is crucial. When more species are preserved, there is a greater biodiversity and our environment benefits. Well, thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.
Link to our sources is in the description.
Thank you.